Good morning again. Today I will speak about the mirrors and reflection in the context of gender and other political and social issues in the Qin-Han and the Roman Empire. As we all know, the mirrors are an important part of material culture, and they have reflective and decorative side. Particularly decorative side have been important because it has decorations related to the art, to the religious, social, and other functions and mythology, particularly in Chinese and the Roman Empire. Uh, Two empires could be comparative because they are similar in size and population, and the number of items found of mirrors are in the similar, which is several thousand, and which is the highest number of mirrors in the ancient world. Instead of researching mirrors in the context of cosmetic and female objects, which is very often in the recent scholarship, I propose and predict that mirrors have a much larger, much bigger role in the context related to the beauty, but also in the context of political and social issues in the Roman Empire. So to make it simple, it is very hard to say that mirrors are just female or just male objects or just children objects. Instead of this, mirrors can be used in the actor network theory as a tokens who are sent from actors and mediators to networks in the empire in the imperial context, which means that the similar mirror have imitate the public sculptures, paintings, artes minores, and coins, and share the similar idea in the empire as political entity. To prove this instead of gender issues are archaeological findings in the tombs, where are mirrors found in the male, female, and children tombs, both in the Roman Empire and in the Qin-Han Empire. Also, other parts like sculptures that I presented here or paintings are also representing different usage of mirrors, which is more related to the social status, social classes, and different roles instead of simplifying as the gender issues. Also, mirrors are important for self-image and self-reflection and obeying the rules in the social hierarchy, because self-representation of yourself on the mirror will make more aware of your social code and social status. The social code is particularly important in both of empires, for example, clothes and issue of hairstyle, but also issue of aging and issue of your social position, particularly in the border areas where are mirrors found in the tombs or military camps in the both Roman and Chinese Empire. This could be relevant to understand mirror from different perspective that I proposed here. Also, if we understood beauty and related them to the mirrors in the Roman and Chinese Empire, beauty is combination of physical and moral part. And we have written sources from the both empires that they will consider moral part of beauty as much as possible as the physical part of beauty. And those representation of mirrors on the mirrors are following the similar pattern. So the small objects like mirrors have been used for reproduce bigger ideas like social status, religion, identity, or empire itself. And it could be sent from the court or imitate the some well-known patterns and spread idea of political unification of both empires. So for conclusion of this short presentation, I would like to say that if we understand mirrors just as gender objects, this could lead us to different position. And the recent state of art actually put all the cremated tombs with the mirrors to female tombs, which make a lot of mess in the archaeology of Roman Empire, particularly, which is less for China. And also they have been distributed over both empires in center, in the periphery, and in the border areas. And they have been used by various genders, A number of mirrors have functional purpose of reflecting different parts of hierarchy, social status, and complex social networks of Chinese and Roman political entity, and not less to compare using of mirrors with the previous and post societies, including Bronze or Iron Age or medieval societies, where we can find mirrors in the different contexts, including the warriors' tombs, including mirrors as a part of hygiene, medicine, etc., which actually will bring us to other parts and other research more about usage of mirrors and its practical and functional use. Thank you for your time.